Associativity of operators. When an expression contains two operators of equal priority, the tie between them is settled using associativity of the operators. So, when expression contains two operators of equal priority, then uh, if an expression has two operators, but they have first priority and second priority, they have equal priorities, so both are of first priorities, then there comes a tie between them is settled using the associativity of operators. Tie is settled using associativity of operators. Associativity can be of two types. First is left to right or right to left. So associativity can be left to right or right to left. Left to right associativity means that the left operand must be unambiguous. Left to right associativity means that left operand must be unambiguous. Similarly, in case of right to left associativity, the right operand must be unambiguous. Consider the expression a is equal to 3 divided by 2 into 5. So similarly, in case of right to left associativity, the right operand must be unambiguous. Now operator left right remark. So operator is divided by left operator is 3 and right operator is 2 or 2 into 5. So remark left operand is unambiguous, right is not. In second case, star that is multiplied, then left operator is 3 by 2 or 2, right operator is 5. Right operand is unambiguous, left is not. Since both divided by and multiply have L and R associativity, and only divided by has an unambiguous left operand, necessary condition for left to right associativity, it is performed earlier. Operator left right remark. So operator is equal to left on is equal to sign left of is equal to sign there is a on the right hand side b or b is equal to 3. So remark is left operand is unambiguous, right is not. And in second condition, operator is equal to on left b or a is equal to b, and on the right 3. So remark is right operand is unambiguous, left is not. Consider yet another expression z is equal to a into b plus c divided by d. Here star and divided by enjoys same priority. So star and divided by have same priority and same associativity, that is left to right. Now operator left right and remark. So operator star that is multiplied by operator left right and remark. So operator is star that is multiplied by left operator is a, right is b, and remark both operands are unambiguous. Now divided by c d, both operands are unambiguous. Here since left operands for both operators are unambiguous, compiler is free to perform multiplied or divide operation as per its convenience, since no matter which is performed earlier, the result would be same. So since left operand and both operators are unambiguous, compiler is free to perform multiplied or divide operation.